Welcome to the top best. The best Mig Welder cart is probably one of the most underrated yet essential pieces of equipment for any serious welder, transforming a cluttered workspace into an organized, efficient, and mobile fabrication station, allowing you to easily move your heavy welder, gas cylinder, and all your accessories right where you need them, making your projects smoother and significantly boosting your productivity. Number 5. Weldpro 3-tier welding cart. This professional cart is compatible with most standard welding equipment, including MIG, TIG, stick welders, and plasma cutters. Its versatile design makes it suitable for a wide range of scenarios, from home DIY projects to industrial workshops. Crafted from high-strength thickened steel with an anti-rust finish, it's engineered for long-term heavy-duty usage. With a 400-pound static load capacity, it delivers exceptional stability and durability, remaining reliable even under full load. This cart features a spacious 3-layer storage layout to keep your workspace neat and organized. Its trays fit most standard welders and accessories, while side brackets and hooks keep tools within easy reach. Equipped with 2 heavy-duty safety chains, it securely fixes gas cylinders, preventing tipping and sliding. Its anti-slip textured surface further enhances stability, greatly improving the safety of your workspace. Designed with 360-degree swivel wheels and heavy-duty fixed rear wheels, it allows effortless maneuvering in any direction, even in narrow spaces. These high-quality wheels ensure smooth, wobble-free, and noise-free movement on various surfaces, boosting your work efficiency. This cart is specially designed to perfectly match Weldpro series welders, ensuring a custom fit for many models. Its custom cable hooks and cylinder rack are optimized for Weldpro use, providing a seamless user experience. With a compact footprint, it fits perfectly in various workspaces. The package includes all necessary hardware and clear instructions, allowing assembly in just 15 to 20 minutes with basic tools. What we like. This cart is built like a tank, ready for any heavy-duty task you throw at it. With its impressive 400 pounds capacity, it keeps your entire setup organized and secure. If you're a professional or serious hobbyist needing robust, reliable storage for all your gear, this is the perfect choice. What people say. No source reviews were provided to extract points from. Please provide a source JSON with product reviews. Number 4. 200A4-in-1 Multi-Process Welder. This powerful machine handles gas MIG, flux core, lift TIG, and stick welding. It's your all-in-one solution for home repairs, DIY projects, and light workshop tasks. Its synergic MIG system automatically adjusts voltage and wire speed, making setup simple for new users. Experienced welders can also fine-tune settings for precise control. Use it with standard 110V home outlets for lighter jobs, or switch to 220V for more power and thicker materials. This flexibility makes it perfect for various workspaces. Thanks to IGBT inverter technology, it delivers a stable arc, smooth wire feeding, and deep penetration. Expect lower spatter and clean welds on various metals. Its large digital display makes parameter adjustments clear and easy. Built-in safety protections ensure secure operation, and it comes with a comprehensive starter kit. What we like. This machine is a true all-rounder, offering 4-in-1 multi-process welding for diverse projects. Its beginner-friendly synergic control takes the guesswork out of settings, making it incredibly easy to get started. If you're a new welder or someone who needs a versatile, easy-to-use machine for home DIY and light workshop tasks, this is an excellent option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per instructions. Number 3. Hot Max WC100 Welding Plasma Cutter Cart. This cart is built with all-steel construction, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its robust design features a durable finish, ready for any workshop environment. Designed for versatility, it accommodates most MIG and plasma machines. You can easily mount your essential equipment on it. The thoughtfully designed handle ensures that your leads remain clear and unobstructed. This allows for hassle-free operation and organization. It provides an extra storage tray, perfect for keeping your accessories and equipment organized. Everything you need is always within reach. For added safety, it includes robust safety chains specifically for shielding gas tanks. These ensure your tanks are securely held in place during transport and use. What we like. This cart boasts an all-steel construction, ensuring durability for your workshop needs. It's designed to fit most MIG and plasma machines, making it a versatile choice for many setups. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable cart that accommodates various equipment and offers essential storage, this model is a solid, practical option. What people say. Number 2. HFJ14 Welding Cart. This cart is crafted from sturdy formed steel construction, ensuring exceptional durability and reliability. It's designed to withstand the rigors of any workshop environment, providing a stable foundation for your welding equipment. You'll find 2 convenient shelves located beneath the welder, offering generous space for all your tools and accessories. Keep your workspace organized and efficient with easy access to everything you need. For your safety, it features 2 robust safety chains specifically designed to secure your gas cylinder. This ensures that your equipment remains stable and protected during operation and transport. The top shelf is thoughtfully tilted, providing you with easier and more comfortable access to your welder's controls. This ergonomic design enhances usability, making your welding tasks more efficient. A dedicated hook is included for securely holding your torch assembly when not in use. This keeps your torch safe and readily accessible, preventing damage and clutter. It boasts a high-quality powder coat finish, offering superior protection against scratches, rust, and wear. This durable coating ensures that your cart maintains its professional appearance for years to come. What we like. This cart features a unique tilted top shelf, providing easier access to your welder's controls for improved ergonomics. It also includes a convenient hook for holding your torch assembly, keeping it tidy and within reach. If you prioritize ergonomic access to your welder and appreciate thoughtful design for small workshops, this cart is designed with your comfort in mind. What people say. Number 1. Deer Head Welding Kit, 201 Stainless Steel. Are you ready for a unique welding challenge? This kit offers a rewarding project that will test and showcase your skills. It's designed to help you create something truly special. This kit provides 15 pieces of 201 stainless steel welding coupons. They are perfect for various welding methods, including TIG, MIG, gas, arc, and stick. With these precision-cut pieces, the possibilities are endless. Shape and weld them together to form a magnificent stainless steel deer head. Express your unique style and passion for both welding and wildlife. We ensure only the highest quality materials are used. These coupons are precision engineered to fit seamlessly, allowing for smooth and effortless welding. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced welder, this project offers a fulfilling experience. It allows you to practice different techniques and create a stunning piece of art. Looking for a unique present for an art lover or nature enthusiast? This makes an unforgettable gift that showcases both creativity and craftsmanship. Surprise someone special with a one-of-a-kind treasure they'll cherish forever. What we like. This isn't just a practice kit, it's a creative challenge that lets you unleash your imagination while honing your welding skills. With precision-cut stainless steel coupons, you can build a unique deer head sculpture. If you're a beginner looking for an engaging and rewarding project to practice various welding techniques, or a seasoned welder seeking a fun artistic endeavor, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.